justice minister of our country after the independence, and he emphasized religious, gender and caste equality. You know, Navya, Ambedkar also introduced the reservation system to create a social balance amongst the classes.
Wow, there was certainly so much that didn't know about it. Thank you, Rajata, for enlightening me about the importance of Ambedkar Jayanthi.
So, what lesson did you learn from the life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Navya?
He was always concerned about the society and showed responsibilities towards it. He gave Indian people the best values of the society which we should always respect and follow. So, let us honor the hard work and sacrifice of the man who gave India its constitution.